So we're about to hop in the car, go to the second layout weekend practice. And guess what we're driving into, Aaron?
A storm, a hurricane.
Where we at? What are we doing?
Seafood.
Yo, a different type of balls. Boudin balls. Wouldn't be a hurricane practice without, well, a hurricane. No, it's nothing to be worried about. Just getting to the field in a flood. Because we love paintball. Make sure that my head game's on. Yeah, I think that's sweet. Did we shoot enough lanes there, you think?
No, not nearly enough. We need more.
That's the answer I wanted to hear. Good stuff. Hey, if you want to win, oh, the pork chops are gone. Where'd you put the pork? You take the pork chops inside.
You have two players with no pants on. I don't think you should.
What's that on your head, Michael Brown?
No idea, but it feels very late.
In case you're wondering, Michael Brown never wears headgear, and we finally convinced him to do it. Hey, I think taking Snake to a whole different level.
That's what goes on around here.
That's what goes on around here in Louisiana. Water moccasin.
Hey.
Hey. That's a wrap. We'll see you in Philadelphia.